Hey there, Billy D, CustomClothingShelves.com. This is one of our steel brackets, typical of what we put with the shelves that we build. It's 3/8 thick steel. There is no holes drilled at the stud locations. We have no idea where they're going to be. So rather than guess, we let you drill the holes on site according to the stud location. Drilling through the steel is very simple if you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, I'll tell you right now. First thing, most important, you need a nice sharp drill bit for cutting steel. We throw one in a hardware packet for you. This is a real nice industrial quality twist bit. Wes loves those split point bits. I'm perfectly happy with these. The other thing is a little bit of lubrication. This rapid tap cutting fluid is really great. You just need a drop or two. A lot of times on the job site, if I don't have it with me, I might use olive oil or even water, a stream of water. Steel is a lot harder than wood. You have to apply a lot of pressure in order to get it to cut. So with wood, you don't really maybe have to lean on it. With steel, you certainly do. So with these, you just lean on it, and before long, you have a hole.